Hi folks, super quick. I'm just going to show you how to use Google Slides to shorten YouTube videos. So oftentimes we have YouTube videos that are way too long and we only really want the students to watch a portion of it. So I'm going to show you how you can use Google Slides to make that happen. All right, so let's find our YouTube video. So I have one here and I would go to share and get my link. So I hit copy. Then I need to go back to my drive and I want to create a Google slide. So here we go. And I'm gonna get rid of this title slide, subtitle slide, just to, there, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna insert video. And I could have searched all of this from within Google Slides. I just find it easier to go out, get the link and come back. All right, so there's the TED Talk. I hit select. And there it is, okay. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna right click on this and hit format options. And so I have this video playback option. I just need to move me over a little bit. And so here's where I can do this. So I can start it at whenever I want to start it. So let's say the first 15 seconds are just introductions. Well, then let's start at 15 seconds in. And maybe I don't need the last part of the presentation. Maybe I want to end it at 8 minutes. 8 minutes, 15 seconds, who cares, right? You decide. So the other button I'm going to click is autoplay when presenting. And what that means is as soon as we get to this slide in the presentation, this video starts running at the exact second. So it's going to start running at 15 seconds into the TED Talk, and it's only going to play until the, end time, 8 minutes, 15 seconds end time, right on, that we've asked. Okay, so that's all I need to do there. So I'm gonna move me back over here and that would be fine. I can save this as TED Talk video on happiness. I can save this or upload this to my Google Classroom and that's all I really need to do. And that would be fine. The other thing I might wanna do is just include some questions here. Maybe have some questions for the kiddos to think about either as they're watching the video or after the video. One other piece just before I let you go that I think could be helpful. So let's say that you wanted to have an exit slip to go with this. So you absolutely could create this. So what I would recommend is go back to your drive and create a Google form. And I'm just going to call this exit slip, TED Talk, happiness. And there we go, perfect. All right, so my first question might just be their name. Perfect, required, nice. Okay, my second one might be 3 things I learned. And I want that as a paragraph, perfect. And maybe 2 things I found interesting. And again, I want to set that to paragraph as well. And make that required. And maybe one last one is 1 question I have for the presenter. Okay, and again, I'm going to make that paragraph. So I can write a little bit about it and make that a required question. All right, so I just want to hit settings before I go, and I just want to click this button so that it's collecting their Gmail or their GNESPIS. I'll do response receipts. Don't have to, but I can. And respondents can edit after they submit. So maybe they're thinking about it later, like, no, I want to change that. So this will give them the ability to do that. Okay, so let's hit save. And then I'm going to send this. And this is what I want right here is this link. I'm going to shorten the URL just because I didn't have to, but I would like to. And I'm going to hit copy. So this is my Google form now. Okay, so now I go back to my slide and I'm going to put step 1, watch video. Step 2, complete the reflection. And what I do is I highlight this. I find this little link one up here, insert link. And I insert my link to my Google form. Poof. All right. So let's see how it looks in action. So we're going to present this. So view, present. So I clicked on the slide. It automatically starts at 15 seconds. It is eventually going to end at the 8 minutes and 15 seconds that I've asked. Right now I'm going to pause this though. And step 2 is complete the reflection. So if the kids click on there, it automatically takes them to their exit slip. They complete that. All their responses are saved in your Google Drive. Yeah, and you're done. So you've shown a video, just the portion that you want them to actually see. And now there's an exit slip as a reflection. Anyway, just a couple neat tools. Perfect. Take care.